1970 Buick LeSabre. So this thing's ready to go back on the road if I want to take it, or whenever I'm ready. Not sure yet. I got 3 insured vehicles right now as it is. Gotta say, this is still like the favorite. Why don't we just say the family favorite? You know, the reaction you get from the people when you drive this car. Yeah. And the sound, incredible. Unless you're not a fan of glass packs, but a number one in one of these is like 20 grand. I'm not saying mine's a number one as far as looks go. Really would love to do a lot more with this car, but that's all I can do for now, and it is ready to go. All the lights are working, it's legal. My trunk light don't work, but I think I probably just got like wiggle that or something, and I'll get power going back there. Haven't tried that yet. Books are going to be kept. You know, I got the from the factory how they put this together book, and you know, like my Haynes manual for it, and just a whole bunch of notes I've taken. I'll keep it in plastic so it'll stay good. Just got an extra, there's one in the car too, one of these for the stereo system and some other goodies. Found those in the trunk, haven't figured out why yet. So I don't throw them away till I know, or you know, put them where they belong, really. So there you have it, pretty much a masterpiece. Could you do more with it? You could never get done. I mean, it's a car that's worth, you know, your time and effort, but it's ready to drive today. And so this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.